Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been like about a week since I've recorded, but I got my BoxyCharm today. And I've done my eyebrows and I've, concealed my friggin' eyelids because you guys know, I think everybody knows, because BoxyCharm has been advertising it like crazy, that we all got like an eyeshadow palette this month. So I'm pretty excited to see what is in here. But yeah, let me get started. So I'm opening it, and then this is it says peace, love, and boxy. Okay, so I'm gonna go, I guess, from what I pick up. The first thing that I see right here is a brush set. We've been getting a lot of brush sets lately and a lot of eyeshadow palettes. I'm not saying it's a bad thing. I kind of like it. Plus it helps me grow my brush collection. So that's pretty cool and interesting, Let's see. This is the Luxie The Summer Days three-piece brush set from Luxie. Absolutely love this brand when it comes for brushes, and this retails for $28. I like this. This one, I guess, is like a little small packing brush. This one is a nice little thick shader brush. So this one is it says contour and sculpt to define your cheekbones, but I like this one to like swoop, swoop, because I feel like it's too small for me for contouring. I don't know, we'll see when I lose weight. Because I'm gonna get that gastric bypass surgery, so I'm pretty excited for that. Well, I'm sorry, I'm not getting the gastric bypass, I'm getting the gastric sleeve surgery, so I'm pretty excited about that. I haven't seen myself skinny in a long time. The next thing I see here is called Appeal Holographic Lip Gloss. This retails for $21. Says in here that it's oil infused. What kind of oil? Argan oil infused. So that's pretty cool. Does it have a scent? It's just, I guess it looks like a normal gloss. Oh, I can see the holographic there. Has like a little dual chrome effect, which is pretty cool. I love lip glosses, so that's pretty fun. And then I was pretty excited for this one. This one is this one is called a Purple Dream, and this is the Artist Couture Diamond Glow Powder. I really love their highlighters. They have really good highlighters. It's not purple. I thought it was gonna be purple. I was scared, but that's pretty cool. Don't mind my nails, you guys. I had to dye my hair without gloves, and all hell broke loose. I got blue dye all over my nails, and it's been like that for like a week. But this one retails for $27. So this is the Bodyography eye pencil, and it retails for $14. And this is in the color Bali Bronze. So I guess it's just like a little bronze eyeliner. It's pretty cute. And then what I was excited for is the eyeshadow palette. And this is from Pure, the Complexion Authority Festival Palette. This retails for $36. But that's really cool if you want to do something bold, or if you want to go neutral, you can do either or. I'm not a fan of pressed glitters. I always tend to make a mess when it comes to glitters. But I don't know. Let's see. I want to go ahead and do like a neutral eyeshadow look because I haven't done like a makeup tutorial in a hot minute. I've been slacking because I've been like really sick. Okay, I don't know what is wrong with my immune system. My kids come home with all the germs, and then I'm the one who gets sick. They get sick for like a day or something, and then I get sick back to back because everybody in the house starts getting sick. I keep getting sick after every kid keeps getting sick. So it's like a big old mess, and it's horrible. So I'm gonna go in with Epic in the crease. I don't feel like I have to drag it, and you can definitely add more pigment on top. smells like cake. The eyeshadow smells really good. Now I'm gonna go in with Hidden Dessert, like right under the crease. I don't know what brush to use, you guys. I think I'm gonna go ahead and use my M573 brush, and I'm gonna go like right under to just, you know, add some dimension, some color. On the outer corner, I'm gonna go with All Night to just, you know, darken up that outer corner a little. And now I'm gonna go with Psychedelic in, oops. Right on the lid. I just pop that on with my finger. This is like a very nice quick look that you can just like do before work. I like this palette a lot. Now that I've done that, I'm gonna do the rest of my face and I'll be right. So I didn't feel like looking for my bronzer, so I thought I'd just contoured a little bit with some blush, and I might have gone a little bit too heavy-handed on the blush, but you know what, shit happens. It's okay. I'm gonna walk around like I got smacked in the face. It's all good. It's all good. I just got some rosy cheeks, you know. I'm gonna go ahead and give this highlighter a try, the Artiste Couture. Let me find my highlighting brush right here, and oh, let me lower this light a little so you guys can sort of see it a little. Oh, I really like this. The only thing I don't like is that it's very glittery. Let me see. I don't know if you guys can see that. Let me add a little more. But I really like this, you know. I'm really happy about this month's box with the Pure eyeshadow palette. I liked it a lot. I'm actually keeping it on my beauty makeup table because I think I'm gonna definitely use it for everyday look. I don't know. Like I always say in all my videos, BoxyCharm never ceases to amaze me. And I really like them. So I'm gonna, for last, I'm gonna try the lip gloss, which is the holographic lip gloss. I think this would be like really good for like a lip topper. But it's also very pretty on its own. I feel pretty. I'm just saying. I feel really pretty. Let me set my face a little. That is pretty much the final look. Very natural, very pretty. I think for every day, like to get up in the morning and to just like haul ass out of your house, I think this is the perfect look. So I want to thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you aren't already subscribed, and give me a big thumbs up, and see you guys in my next video. Bye bye, guys.